Hi there, this is teacher Carla from English.com. Today, we will study the book of English Time 5 by Susan Rivers and Setsuko Toyoma. This is the continuation of our lesson last time under Unit 8. And now we will continue with the practice time. So, are you ready to do that? Very good. Let's go now and continue practice time. So here, there are some examples here and we will just need to complete them. So for example, when I was little, I could say the alphabet. So listen carefully and repeat after me. When I was little, I could say the alphabet. So now let's go to number 1. We could throw a ball. So we can say, when we were little, we could throw a ball. 2. You couldn't cut out a heart. Let's make an example. When you were little, you couldn't cut out a heart. Okay. One more time. 3. He couldn't spell a word. So let's make an example. When he was little, he couldn't spell out a word. 4. She could speak English. When she was little, she could speak English. 5. I could blow a bubble. Okay, when I was little, I could blow a bubble. 6. He couldn't catch a frog. When he was little, he couldn't catch a frog. 7. He couldn't build a sand castle. When he was little, he couldn't build a sand castle. And 8. I could count 10. When I was little, I could count to 10. Okay, so those are the examples for your practice time. You can practice making this with your partner, your classmates, or your friends. Now, let's go and continue to the next page for the reading practice. Are you ready? Very good. Let's go now and start that. Now we are on the reading time. So, this is a story and this is like a letter. Let's read it. Dear Stan, how are you? When you moved away, we were sad. We miss you very much. Do you miss us? Last Saturday, we saw Miss Smart. She was our kindergarten teacher. Do you remember her? Annie and I went to her house for lunch. She showed us old photos of our kindergarten class. She told some funny stories too. She said when you were little, you could build enormous sand castles. When you were in the sandbox at recess, you never wanted to get out. Remember? Do you like Washington? How's your new school? Are you making a lot of friends? Please write soon. Your friend Ted Lee. Okay, so here are your new words, and you just need to listen and repeat after me. Move away. Move away. Kindergarten. Kindergarten. Funny. Funny. Recess. recess. Soon, soon. Miss, miss. Show, show. Enormous, enormous. Make friends, make friends. Okay, so now let's go down here to answer some of the questions about this story. First one, who is Tan? Very good. Tan is Ted's friend. Next one, was Miss Smart Ted and Annie's first grade teacher? Yes, she was. Next, what did Ted do at Miss Smart's house? Very good. He ate lunch. And the last one here, what could Stan do when he was little? Very good. Building enormous sand castle. Okay, so those are the answers for these questions. And that will be all for today. I hope that you learned something new. Always practice your words and how to pronounce them correctly. So we will continue our lesson on the next video for new topic under Unit 9. Okay, so thank you for your time and see you on the next video. Bye!